Hey guys, how you guys doing today? If you're new here, I'm Jalen and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to make your slime bigger. Make sure to at the end, make sure to subscribe and leave a big like and comment down below if this worked for you. And also in the future, comment some video ideas that I can do, because I'm running out of ideas. So the things I will be needing to do this are lotion. I'm using my own homemade lotion. I will make a video on that, or I already did, but I'll make a video on that. If you guys want me to, just comment that if you want me to or something. And so lotion, I'm using my homemade lotion. The slime that you want to make bigger, I'm using this slime. It's a yellow slime. So that. And the most important ingredient, shaving cream. Let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is get out your slime. I'm going to have to find something that I can put my stuff on. Hold on guys. Okay guys, I'm just going to use the platform of my jewelry box. Fine. So the first thing you want to do is get out your slime. Slime is really stretchy and kind of crunchy. Okay, so yeah. My next video, guys, will be a shout out video, so stay tuned to that. And thank you for this person for checking out my channel and always being subscribed to me, and left a comment down on one of my YouTube videos. I don't know which one it was, but thank you so much to that person. If you know who you are, if you know who you are, just comment down below who you think you are. Okay? So the first thing you want to do is spread out your slime. Then you want to take your shaving cream and add it in. So this is my big mountain of shaving cream. So now you're going to just spread your shaving cream around. And make sure to mix that in really good till it's just all slime. Till like all of the slime's mixed in and none of the shaving cream is on your hands. And don't cheat by just like cleaning that off your hands. Just leave it on your hands because you're gonna need it then. I touched my head. This was a pretty clear slime, but now it's like a whitish kind of color. Okay. I'm just gonna like see if I can use the top of the container. That's better. Nah, just use this for now. Okay guys, so I don't want it to keep it like this. So I'm just gonna add more shaving cream in. If you want, you can do this with me and add more shaving cream into your slime. But I'm just doing this to make a big slime. So if you guys want to make a bigger slime, then there you go. Just keep adding shaving cream until you want your slime. And don't panic if it turns like rippy, because that's what the lotion's for. So I'm just going to give an example and try to make mine rip by putting more shaving cream in it every time. So don't mind that. And if it gets hard, we can do that lotion also, because that's part of getting it ripped. So I'm just going to add more till it rips when I stretch it. But I'm gonna start adding little by little, because if I add too much without knowing, then it's gonna really rip, then I can't fix it. So just add little by little, and if it just starts to rip, then it just scared me. Mom, do you have to do that?
That comes on by itself.
Vacuum scared me. That was not little by little, but just bear with me. Okay guys, so mine's starting to kind of rip. I mean, I don't know about your guys's, but mine's starting to get hard and rip. It's pokey, but it's starting to rip. So that's when the lotion comes in. You guys can pause the video quick and go wash your hands. But I'm just going to keep going because I don't want to slow you, the other people that are watching this video, down by stopping this video for a few seconds just because of that. So I'm just going to keep going. So now you're going to take some lotion and add that in. Add a little, because if your lotion's thick, it'll turn very sticky. Then you're going to add more shaving cream. Then you're going to have to add shaving cream in. And you don't want to do that all over again, do you? So just keep adding it in till it's the consistency that you want. And make sure it's not too sticky, because if it is, then you won't be able to play with it. So make sure it's not sticky. This is not going to, go in this container. I'm planning on giving this slime away, so stay tuned for my giveaway. On my Instagram, I will give an announcement by the show of face. So, and I'm going to do that. I'm just going to set it up there for 1 sec. This is too sticky. If it's too sticky, then either activate it with an activator or use more shaving cream to activate it. That works for me. So now I'm gonna go get a container for this. Okay guys, so I got my container. No! The shaving cream bottle fell in the shaving cream of slime. We're not going to be needing that anymore. Here, I'm like blocking this. I'm using my phone again today, guys. I know, I'm using my GoPro. Because I'm so used to saying my phone. But my phone's dead, so I can't use my phone. I mean, I like using my phone better because I can actually see my face perfectly. Because my camera, using my GoPro, the camera's like blurry, so I can't really see myself. But I just see it on my phone. It tracks my phone. So if I lose my GoPro, it'll tell me right where it is because I have a tracker on both of them. Okay, guys. This turned sticky again. We're just gonna leave it sit overnight. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and give a comment if this worked for you or not. If it worked, then please leave another comment saying what video ideas you guys want me to do. Okay? Thank you. Bye guys. Mwah.